Thank you. Sri R. Vedlingam.
Honorable Deputy Chairman Sir, Vanakkam. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I am indeed thankful of this August House for taking up for discussion the challenges of water crisis, including the supply of drinking water in the country. Water issue are of permanent nature. Jain Thiruvalluvar says, if no drop falls from the clouds, not even the green blade of grass will be seen. There is a plan going around which I don't support. We sound see this water crisis as an issue concerning the present and the future of this country. There should be a national plan and policy of water related issues. Sir, Tamil Nadu faces severe drought and one side or floods on the other side. The annual per capita availability of water in Tamil Nadu is 860 cubic meter as against the national average of 1869 cubic meters. Tamil Nadu has tapped almost all of these surface water resources and has to look sources beyond its frontiers to meet the needs of its growing population. Despite the severe drinking water crisis in the country, I should make a mention that the Tamil Nadu government has taken several measures of address this issue. We have follow the bucket culture instead of shower culture. Water should be used medically. Chennai used to be water supply metropolitan cities of the country till a couple of decades ago, following the age-old water conservation tradition of Tamil Nadu. Chennai had nearly 24 water bodies, including 3 rivers and a British period Buckingham Canal. Population explosion and several other factors have been added to the water wise. Sir, I would like to stress that a conditional approach of the coordinated approach of the union and state government along with the support of people can only get this issue addressed. Sir, water issue can be addressed in several ways. Interlink of all the rivers, especially the rivers flowing through the southern part of country. The only solution to provide water to water starved Tamil Nadu is to the transfer water from Godavari, which is a surplus basin, to Kaveri. Central Water Commission has estimated that Godavari basin has an annual surplus of about 300 TMC of water, which can be diverted to other peninsular rivers. I request you link Godavari river in Andhra Pradesh with Kaveri on a priority basis. We should encourage governments at the state, local bodies, and the people to follow traditional ways of water conservation. Kudimaramuthu is an old age practice wherein public participation encouraged in a big way for restoration of water bodies. As many as 1,600 water bodies have been desalted in the states at a cost of rupees 500 crores. Union government has to create a separate fund and help the states. National Action Plan for Drought Mitigation Measures. Tamil Nadu faced a severe drought in the year 2017, and the state government provided rupees 2,247 crore as relief to the farmers. Again, all the districts of Tamil Nadu are now facing severe drought, with Chennai and neighboring districts facing severe water shortage. Tamil Nadu government has taken number of the drought mitigation measures. We need more assistance from the union government. Union government 400 MLD seawater reverse osmosis desalination plant as per Perur at a cost of 6,078 crore, and union government should provide to cap funding to the turn of rupees 1,810 crores over the above SAICA loan. Tertiary treatment of wastewater of industrial use at cost of rupees 1,900 crores. Another major initiative in construction of
2 minutes are left. It would have been better if you could have made his
383
speech.
sector and water conservation structure at a cost of 736 crore. However, these efforts required the special allocation of rupees 1,000 crore annually for states like Tamil Nadu, where drought is so frequent. Rainwater harvesting in the prime child of our beloved leader, Puratchi Thalavi Amma. We have made rainwater harvesting structure mandatory for the construction of Tamil Nadu. I request rainwater harvesting should be made a pan-India environment. Rejuvenation of river Kaveri.
Lingamji, only 1 minute is left. I will move to other
sacred
speaker.
river of the south.
I will move
of
to other
the line
speaker.
of Namani Kanga scheme. I request the union government to support to the scheme of rejuvenation Kaveri, which will cost up approximately about 7,000 to 10,000 crore. I request the Honorable Minister of Environment, Forest and Cultural and Climate Change to advise Kerala not to deny the required clearance to enable the Government of India, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change to accord the climate clearance for the Government of Tamil Nadu to carry out the remaining works as per the judgment of the Supreme Court, and to restore the water level in the Mullai Periyar
Over. I'll move to other speaker now.
full reservoir.
Please
level
conclude, otherwise I will move to other
152
speaker.
feet.
Please.
Due the underlying efforts of the revered leader Puratchi Thalavi Amma, and due to the intervention of the Honorable Supreme Court of the final order of the Kaveri water dispute, Tribunal dated 5 February 2007 was published in the Gazette of India on 19/2/2013 as per the order of the Honorable Supreme Court dated
Thank you,
18
Lingamji.
May
Thank you.
2018. The
Thank
Government of India notified the Kaveri Management Scheme 2018 in the Gazette of India on 1/6/2018 to give effect to the decision of the Tribunal of modified by the Honorable
Thank you,
Supreme Court.
Lingamji. 1 minute is
One
over.
minute, sir.
I'll-
One
I'll-
minute,
No,
sir.
no, no, not at all.
The government of Kerala,
Sri Manas Ranjan Bhuya.
the
Sri Manas
government of
Ranjan Bhuya, please.
Karnataka.
Now
on
your
21
speech will go on record.
to
Only your
19
speech will go on
has
record.
informed
Please.
the Honorable
See,
Supreme
no,
Court.
Mr. Bhathalingam, no, it's already 1 minute is over. I'm not allowing Manas Ranjan Bhuya. Your speech will go on record only. Only your speech.